guys, hey, I'm going to show you how to get onto a website that we're going to use today. It's a little bit complicated, so that's why I want to help you through it. So, first of all, you get on the internet, and then I'll give you the link in Google Classroom. It is www, oh, helps if you get in the right place on the keyboard, www.mg/plus.net/ahora. That's our magazines that we've been using all year, but now they're online. I'll give you this link in Google Classroom, so don't stress about that. Okay, then you come in here, and I already set up my username as a student. You will have to do that by using the passcode SILLA25. I'll give you that as well on the classroom. SILLA25. Okay, now as you see, these are all the revistas that we've read this year. So you come up here where it says revistas, you go Espanol, and now you can see all of them from ahora, that's level 2, and also ¿Qué tal? Well, today I want us to work in this one right here, Septiembre a Octubre 2019. So open that one up, and then now it will be on an e-version of the magazine. Vea la revista en línea, here, the big blue thing, and now you can open it up, and it's a digital version of our magazine. Then I want us to discuss, or I want you to read, see how it opens up to all the pages. Isn't that amazing? And then I want us to go through this, and I want you to read today this one, El Día de Colón. And then I'm going to put some questions on quizzes over this article that you read. So maybe you've already read it with the actual magazine, the physical magazine, but now you have the e-version of it. So the steps are, you have to do the website, make an account with the username, and then I'm going to give you the code, and then come in under the Revistas tab, and you'll see this magazine. So hopefully there won't be technology issues with this, and you'll be able to get into our online version of our magazines. Okay.